Hello guys, good morning. So we just run around 10 km. Sayang lang, wala talaga sa buwan, no? So for today's video is let's talk about the difference between motivation and discipline. Actually guys, kaya duha, puros na mga positive na mga kuan na ma-achieve nimo. Pero there are differences between motivation and discipline. So let us say for example, in terms of fitness motivated ka kay gibulagan ka sa mong uyab, di ba? Or motivated ka magpa fit kay kanang nakrasyan or nakalagustuhan, gusto mo magpa kitang gilas ba magpa fit ka. So motivated ka, that's motivation. Motivated ka nga magpa fit, it's because of the thing nakapa-motivate sa mo. So ang disadvantage lang ng motivation guys is in the long run mawala na siya. So mabot ang time nga di na kaganahan magpa-fit kay di naka motivated. Unlike sa discipline guys, either motivated ka or dili, naka-experience ka negative or positive nga experiences, as long as discipline ka, maski positive or negative, kaya na mo may mong fit. So dili mo kinahanglan motivate to do things in fitness. Ang imo lang is discipline ka, just like what I did. Discipline ko regardless kung nabag problema, wala pa problema, motivated ba ko or dili ko motivated. Importante is disiplinado ka. So disiplinado. So be disciplined, not motivated. Bye bye, peace.